Welcome to Rekor Academy, quick bits of knowledge to help you get the most out of your Rekor products and services. Watchman offers two different hosting methods for management of license plate data that has been produced by one or more Watchman agents. But the real question is, which method is best for you? A cloud version of the Watchman web server is hosted on our website. This requires minimal setup with no installation beyond the Watchman agent and is ideal for most users. The cloud web server stores and displays all license plate metadata that your Watchman agent sends. This setup may also be preferable for new users looking to create a quick proof of concept. Users that prefer an on-premise solution can install the Watchman web server locally. And while the user interface looks nearly identical to the cloud version, on-premise installations store metadata from each license plate read in a local MySQL database. Full images of the plate captures remain in a rolling buffer on the hard drive where the agent is installed. No matter which method you choose, you can be confident that your data is safe and secure. With either Watchman Cloud or Watchman On-Premise, you're leveraging the power of a comprehensive vehicle recognition solution.